Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, as part of their preparations for the ICC Cricket World Cup qualifier in Zimbabwe, the West Indies men's cricket team will play 3 one-day internationals against the United Arab Emirates in Sharjah next month. The day-night matches will be played on Monday, June 5, Wednesday, June 7 and Friday, June 9. The teams will depart for Zimbabwe at the end of the series for the World Cup qualifying campaign, which begins on June 18. The all-important tournament will confirm the remaining spots for the 10-team ICC Cricket World Cup 2023 in India. Cricket West Indies is expected to earn $27.5 million from the proposed International Cricket Council finance model between 2024 and 2027. This is a 4.58% share of the $600 million proposed annual earnings over the 4 years. The overall annual figure is based on the estimated earnings of the ICC over $3.2 billion from the sale of its media rights alone, which recently, for the first time, were sold across 5 separate regions globally, including the Indian market. The Board of Control for Cricket in India is expected to earn approximately $230 million per year, which is 38.5% of the ICC's annual earnings. England, with an estimated earning potential of $41.3 million, and Australia $37.53 million, are the next best potential earners. Now, some brilliant bowling was on display from Trinidad and Tobago women as they ripped through Jamaica women in their matchup in the CG Insurance Women's Super 50 tournament. Natasha McLean put up the most resistance for the Jamaican team, getting almost a run-a-ball half-century with a 59 from 60 deliveries. Chadine Nation, 24, and Kenisha Ferron, 12, were the other batters who got into double figures as they were bowled out for 123. Samara Raminath did most damage for T&T, attaining figures of 5 for 13. There were 2 wickets each for Kerbinia Alexander, while there was a wicket apiece for Karishma Ramarak, Anisa Mohammed and Leanne Kirby. Now, Trinidad and Tobago have not begun their chase as yet. And Joel Embiid reached 30 points for a third straight game as the Philadelphia 76ers won 115-103 at the Boston Celtics to leave the defending Eastern Conference champions on the brink of elimination from the playoffs. Embiid scored 33 points and Tyrese Maxey contributed 30 for Philadelphia, who lead the best-of-7 series 3-2. Jason Tatum led Boston's scoring with 36 points, with Jaylen Brown adding 24. Meanwhile, the Denver Nuggets beat the Phoenix Suns 118-102 to move 3-2 up in the Western Conference semi-final. Nikola Jokic ended the game with 29 points, 13 rebounds and 12 assists in Phoenix, while Bruce Brown scored a further 25 points off the bench to leave the Nuggets 1 win away from the Western Conference Finals. And it will be the battle of the Milan teams as Inter Milan take on AC Milan in action from the UEFA Champions League today. Kickoff time is 2 p.m. Jamaica time at the San Siro. This will be their 4th time facing each other this season, with Inter winning the battle on 2 occasions. It will be the first meeting in this competition between the 2 teams since 2005. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.